Hi kids, this is Mr. Wilson. I'm here to help you review for your map quiz over Western Europe plus Poland and the Czech Republic. So, hopefully you see a star appear on the country of Iceland. I hope you knew that was Iceland. I'm sure you did. So, you'll see a star appear on the other countries that will be on your quiz, and I will pause before saying its name so that you can see if you can say the name before I do, and then you can hear me and know if you got it right or wrong. So here we go. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Ireland, the United Kingdom, Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Spain, Portugal, Poland, the Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, Italy, Greece. A couple of mnemonics that can be helpful are: one, if you start in the north with Denmark and want to work your way down southwest to Portugal, the ones that touch the ocean are Denmark. Well, we'll say for Denmark, we've got a guy named Mark. For Germany, it's Mark the German, who wore a leather jacket. That leather is for the Netherlands, with bells on it for Belgium. So Mark the German, who wears a leather jacket with bells on it, went to the dance, France, or he danced in Pain, Spain, with the pork chop gal, Portugal. Now starting with Poland and working our way south down to southwest down to Italy and then going over to Greece, we've got the polar bear for Poland, wrote a check, the Czech Republic, for an ostrich sandwich. There's Austria, with Swiss cheese, Switzerland, on Italian bread, Italy. And there was a lot of Greece for Greece, of course. Some of the best mnemonics are the ones you make yourself, so, be daring. Try to make your own and share it in class. I'd love to hear them. Okay, we're going to look at some of the land and water features now. So that circle is on the North Sea. Notice where it is, nestled between Norway, the United Kingdom, Denmark, in that area. You don't want to put it too far north, because you go up further north, you've got the Norwegian Sea, so you'd be wrong. That, of course, is the Atlantic Ocean, the same Atlantic Ocean that touches Georgia. The Mediterranean Sea. Okay, we have a mountain range appearing. Do you know what it is? The first one with the blue triangles is the Alps. The orange triangles here, this is showing the Pyrenees Mountains. Got a peninsula that includes Norway and Sweden. It's the Scandinavian Peninsula. Portugal and Spain make up the Iberian Peninsula. Here we've got the English Channel, not to be confused with the BBC. This is the Northern European plain, or you can just call it the European plain. Got a river here. This is the Rhine River. I like to imagine the little horn protrusion on it where Germany and France meet, sort of being like a rhino horn, which can help you remember that it's the Rhine River. We've got a really long river here. I didn't draw it very well. I'm sorry, it was difficult to do with the mouse. That is the Danube River. It's the long one. You can imagine that a guy named Dan wanted to tube the longest river he could find there in this part of Europe. So Dan tubes the Danube. This is the Seine River. It passes through the capital of France, Paris. And we have the Thames River. You don't want to say Thames. It's the Thames River in the United Kingdom. It is the city of London is right on it. Now here's a nice little map with everything labeled. I'd recommend, if you feel really good about the countries that we've learned so far, you might want to get a head start on the ones in Eastern Europe. Might be some names there that you're not as familiar with. So study, do your best. I know you can do well in this quiz. Let me know if you